Scott Lair of thecruisegenius.com, president of militaryfairs.com. Building 21, Grand Palladium, Bavaro, Family Select. Now here's, oh look at this. Okay, now this is superior. Now, this is what you get when you walk in the room. You're immediately immersed in the family boss. And so just imagine your kids walking in and seeing this, okay? I mean, you want to talk about a great family vacation. So you see the hat, the bag, the glasses, and then of course over here, you got some more swag. And look at the little ear things right there, and the little things there, the tennis things. You know what I'm saying, the little things like that. So anyway, oh, look at this. Look at this. Okay, so you got the cookies, you got the milk. This is for Dad over here. The whiskey. Ping pong table. That's what I was trying to say. The ping pong table. Okay, so and then here, of course, you have the bathroom. Now look at this. Look at this. Okay, can you imagine your kids or grandkids walking in? You got the little ducks. You got the little things here. The soaps and all that stuff, and you have that. This is just unbelievable. And then of course the rainfall shower, which you know I love. And you got the shampoo, the conditioner, and the soap. Right, that's the number one question I get. You know, do they have those kind of things here? And now look over here. Now I'm not going to show you the toilet. And you have right over here, and you got the two sinks, right? You got the toothpaste here. So what I'm trying to say is, it just depends on what you're looking for. Are you looking for 2 bedrooms? Are you looking for 1 bedroom? And this is what they call superior, okay? Now, if you look out here, it does not have a pool because you're up on the 2nd floor, right? But you have this view, and there's the family selection pool right there. Now, if you look over there, that's a room with the private pool, and I'll be getting video of that as well. But what I'm saying is, Palladium is just doing an outstanding job with family selection. And you know I've been to family selection at Puerto Vallarta. You've been with me on my videos to family selection up in Costa Mujeres, and now I'm here in Punta Cana. And again, grandparents, parents, if you're looking for a great family vacation, you cannot beat Palladium. You can email me, Scott at militaryfairs, FARES.com, for all the details on Palladium. Scott Lair, thecruisegenius.com, president of militaryfairs.com. I'm going to back out here one more time just to give you the room number. This is building 21, and this room is 1216 right here. Scott Lair, thecruisegenius.com. Like and subscribe.